What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Today's unboxing therapy. Walthers RS2, Delaware and Hudson. Love that paint scheme. It's not really bright or something, you know, it's just like those contrasts with the blue and gray. Awesome. A long time ago I have for repair actually, I think it was E8 or something like this, correct me if I'm wrong if they exist in that paint scheme anyway, but trucks, they were like silver. Okay, let's get a little bit closer like that. Awesome. So DCC decoder, of course, and sound ESU. They like to lock that, which is good. I have no problem. Just to tape a little bit. El cheapo. So it's no problem. Thank you guys for reviewing models. Also, it helps us when you're buying it, you know. Just make sure it's working. That's why we're doing it. Oh, looks good. When I'm putting it back, I'm just putting model like in the center. There you go. All right. So good. Okay. Awesome. My camera, the blue color, a little bit because it's on auto, but that's pretty close. Also different mounters, different stuff. Those handrails and something like that here looks like, on the picture they looks like fluorescent, but they just bright, super bright, like yellow. Metal Walthers couplers. You can put your scale head couplers. Let's just take from one side here, and right now I'm going to test it. Details good. Ooh, very good stuff inside in the cab. All right. Very nice lenses for lights. So this unit, long hood forward with letter F. Here you go. Side camera. Excellent. Okay, usually I'm on the programming track, and with my lens system I'm testing the address. Programming track address. Here we go, 003, which is default. Set to 3, and oh, lights, nice. Has a kind of, you know, dimming effect. It's very loud, very nice. default for acceleration and deceleration. Very good. Acceleration CV3, deceleration CV4, and that will be like just good to go. Let's test some functions. All right, F3 is coupler. They say it crash. Okay, done. F4 is dynamic brakes. F5 it's empty. F6 if its model has ditch lights. F7 manual compressor. Yeah, that's what it is. All right. F8 it turning like prime mover, and F9 is drive hold. Okay, so pretty basic for that decoder, no problem. Let's shut it down. Awesome. Great model, sounds just perfect. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.